If you don't start a YouTube channel this year, you will regret it for the rest of your life. Here's why. YouTube is worth $1.5 trillion. Yes, I said trillion with a T. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world behind Google and is quickly gaining the lead. Here are the 5 most extremely powerful reasons why you absolutely need to start a YouTube channel this year. The first reason is exponential growth. The YouTube platform and its creators are the fastest growing business in the entire world. YouTube and social media has made more millionaires faster than any other job or investment combined. One of the reasons why YouTube is so powerful is because a single video has the possibility to make you passive income for the rest of your life. Thousands of YouTube creators have went from being broke to being extremely wealthy in a short amount of time. That's not possible with any other job or career. It's not even possible with real estate, and hardly possible with stocks or other investments, which, by the way, need an initial upfront investment, unlike YouTube. There is a very real possibility that if you start your YouTube channel today, you can be earning 6 figures in 6 months to a year from now. The second reason is scalability. If you start any normal kind of business in today's world, it is very hard to scale and increase the revenue of the business. You would have to hire more people, ship more physical products, rent more storage space, pay for travel expenses like gas and shipping costs, etc. I personally have had over 30 businesses in my life, some which have been successful and some which have failed. I have been a chef, a commercial fisherman, a nutritionist, a cancer specialist, an art dealer, among many other business ventures. And I can say without a shadow of doubt that YouTube is so much easier to scale and much easier to make money in, especially with the exponential growth of our digital world in the past couple of years. Not only can you make ad revenue from your YouTube videos, but you can also make tons of money through sponsorships, brand deals, merchandise sales, blog posts, affiliate links, and possibly hundreds of other ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. The third reason why you absolutely need to start a YouTube channel today is because it's one of the greatest sources of passive income on the planet. Let's get real for a second here. Nobody really knows if this is our only life to live or if we get many more after this one. Why would anyone want to work a job that they absolutely hate just to pay the bills? They wouldn't, but unfortunately most people do this. They trade their time for money, which is the worst way to live life. Our time is worth way more than what money can buy. With a normal job, you can only get paid for the hours you work, and you will never get that time back again. With YouTube, you have the possibility to post videos that will continue paying you every month for years and years, even while you sleep or go on vacation. That is true passive income. Imagine never having to work a shitty job again, serving coffee to ungrateful people, driving around rude customers in your Uber, dealing with your boss you can't stand. We live in such a unique time that allows us to make money smarter and not harder. Maybe you've never had a job before. Well, YouTube is your greatest chance of becoming rich beyond your wildest dreams. The fourth reason why you should definitely have a channel is because most creators get to make videos about what they love. Whether your videos are faceless or not, you get to do what you love and teach people about it too. Picture this. You wake up with no alarm clock, grab a shower, order some breakfast delivery, and flip on your game console. Not only are you going to play video games instead of go to a crappy job, but YouTube is actually going to pay you a lot of money for playing Fortnite, or Minecraft, or Roblox. What a sweet life. The fifth reason why you should 100% start a YouTube channel right now is because the YouTube algorithm has been updated recently to push new channels. I've seen multiple creators who are just starting out get thousands of views and subscribers within the first month of creating their channel. YouTube's algorithm used to favor the creators with massive followings, but ever since TikTok has grown in popularity, YouTube is taking their business model and implementing it across the platform to allow small channels to blow up really fast. But here's the kicker. We don't know how long YouTube will do this for small channels, which is why we need to create our channel as fast as possible to take full advantage of the way that the algorithm favors small channels. I often chat with small creators just like yourself all day, and the main theme that I get from most of them is that the algorithm hates their content, which is definitely not true. Once we learn exactly why the algorithm does not push our channel or videos, we can break through to the other side and start getting the views we deserve. If you decide to start a YouTube channel, I would like to be there beside you and teach you precisely how to succeed and make as much money as possible on YouTube. I have a full comprehensive course that shows you exactly how to create viral thumbnails, viral titles, how to make addictive videos that people want to watch, how to understand the algorithm, and much, much more. I also teach you about the most important thing that virtually nobody else is talking about, and that's the subconscious mind of the viewer. You will learn psychological principles on how to reel in the viewer so that they absolutely must watch your video. It's quite fascinating once you fully understand these powerful principles. The link for the course is in the description. Also, if you want to check out the 5 most profitable faceless YouTube channel niches in 2024, click right here.